Hello everyone, welcome back to Boom Reports. Today we'll be talking about Google CEO Sundar Pichai, who happens to be a favorite of the fake news industry in India. On August 26, 2019, we came across a photo viral all over Twitter and Facebook, which carried a photo of Pichai along with a body of text that appeared to be a quote by him. The text stated, "I'm not interested in politics, but I am worried about India's unemployment. Millions of youngsters losing their jobs. India must concentrate on people's welfare, not their food habits. Future of the country is in the hands of rational minds." Now, upon investigating further, we found that this exact quote and several variations of it has been shared on social media since 2017. We could not find any official or reliable source that could verify this quote. So we called up a Google India spokesperson who clarified to us that this quote has been falsely attributed to Pichai. So, don't get carried away upon seeing such a photo and definitely refrain from sharing this even further. Do remember to flag such posts on social media as fake, or even better, send them over to us on our WhatsApp helpline so we can do the needful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.